So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So we have this equation like 1 plus 1 by x multiply by 1 plus 1 by y multiply by 1 plus 1 by z, and it is equal to 2, and we have to find the positive integer solution of this equation. So we will use inequality method, and let's see how we can solve this. So without the loss of generality, we can assume that like x is greater than equal to y and y is greater than equal to z. And in the last, we can do all permutations of the solution to get the all solution. So initially, we assume this. Now we have this equation like 1 plus 1 by x multiplied by 1 plus 1 by y multiplied by 1 plus 1 by z is equal to 2. So if you replace 1 plus 1 by y is by 1 plus 1 by z, and this also by 1 plus 1 by z, so it will become like cube of this, and this must be greater than equal to 2 because z is less than y and also less than x. So this is easily we can see. And for what value of positive integer z this condition will satisfy. So if you put z is equal to 3, then it will become like 4 by 3 cube, which is 64 by 27, which is greater than 2. So for this it is satisfying. But if you put z is equal to 4, then it will become like 125 by 64, which is less than 2. You can calculate. So this condition cannot satisfy for z is equal to 4. So z must be less than equal to 3. We got from here. Now we solve for different cases like z values possible are 1, 2 and 3. So we are solving for z is equal to 1. So we have equation like 1 plus 1 by x multiply by 1 plus 1 by y, and here we have 1 plus 1 by z, so we can put z value as 1 and it is equal to 2. So this and this will cancel and this will become is equal to 1. So now we have to solve this. Now you see x and y are positive integers, so this is also greater than 1 and this is also greater than 1. So their product is also greater than 1. So it is not possible to have any positive integer x and y that give this product is equal to 1. So from here we don't get any solution. So now let's move to z is equal to 2. So if you put z is equal to 2, then here this term will become like 1 plus 1 by 2, which is like 3 by 2, and this is equal to 2. So 2 will go here, then it will become like 4 by 3. So this product like 1 plus 1 by x multiplied by 1 plus 1 by y is equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to solve this. By similar argument, if I replace like 1 plus 1 by x by 1 plus 1 by y, then this square must be greater than 4 by 3 because x is greater than equal to y. So this value is 1.33. Now if you put y is equal to 6, then it will become like 7 by 6 whole square, which is 49 by 36, and which is, if you calculate, it is equal to 1.3611. And if you put y is equal to 7, it is 8 by 7 whole square, which is 64 by 49, and it is equal to 1.30. So now we can see for y value 7, this condition is not satisfying. So y value is must be less than 7 for to have solution. And we also know that like 1 plus 1 by x is greater than 1 because x is a positive integer. So like if you put y greater than 3, then this condition is don't satisfy. Like if I put y is equal to 2, then it will come like 3 by 2, and it is equal to 4 by 3, and here it will come like 8 by 9. So 1 plus 1 by x must be greater than 1, so this is not satisfying. So means y value must be have to greater than 4, y value must be greater than 3 for this to have greater than 1 value. If you put y value less than 3, then this will happen like less than 1, which is not possible here. So y value must be greater than 3. We got from here. So previously we got y value less than 3, and from previous calculation we got y value greater than 3, because you see for y value is equal to 2, we are getting 1 plus 1 by x value is less than 1, so which is not possible. So y must be greater than 3. So the possibility of y is between 3 and 7, which is 4, 5 and 6. Now this is for z is equal to 2. Now we have this equation. So you can put y is equal to 4 and you get the value of x. You put y is equal to 5, you got x, and then you put y is equal to 6, then you also got x. So if you put 4, then you got 15. If you put 5, you get 9. If you put 6, you get 7. So these are three solutions for z is equal to 2. and y is equal to 4, 5, 6. So now the remaining case is of z is equal to 3. So if you put in that equation like 1 plus 1 by x and 1 plus 1 by y and 1 plus 1 by z is equal to 2. So if you put z is equal to 3 here, then it will become like 4 by 3, and if you cross multiply, it will become like 3 by 2. So now we have this. And similarly, we can replace 1 plus 1 by x by 1 plus 1 by y, and this square must be greater than 3 by 2. So if you put y is equal to 4, it will become like 5 by 4 square, which is 25 by 16, and its value is this. So for y is equal to 4, this condition is satisfying because this value is 1.5. So this 1.5625 is greater than 1.5. But if you put y is equal to 5, then it will become like 6 by 5 whole square, which is 1.44. So for this, that this condition is not satisfying. So y value must be less than 5. And y is also greater than equal to z. Initially we assume this order. So in this case we are solving for z is equal to 3. So y must also be greater than equal to 3, and y must be less than equal to y must be less than 5. We also got this from previous calculation, like y must be less than 5, and from here we got must be greater than equal to 3. So the possible value is y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, because y is a positive integer, so we can only take integer. So now we have this equation. So you can put y is equal to 3 and you got x value as 8. If you put y is equal to 4, you got x value as 5, and z value is 3 in both case. So these two solutions are also there. So the possible solution we get are this and this. So these five solution we got. Initially we assumed this thing. So now this is not necessary to assume. So we can take all permutations of this. So these are the total solution of this problem. So these five solutions are there, and you can take all permutations of them. So all permutations are also solution because this equation is symmetric in x, y, and z. So all permutations are also solution of this. So in this way we can solve this.